Let's take a look at using the Pythagorean triple for this problem. If we know the sides of a right triangle are 18x and 30, and x is less than 30, what's x? So the first thing we need to talk about is what is a Pythagorean triple? So basically a Pythagorean triple are three positive integers, no negatives, no fractions, no decimals, that satisfy the Pythagorean theorem. That means when we plug them in the Pythagorean theorem, they work. So look at some of the patterns that work. 3, 4, 5, 7, 24, 25, 9, 40, 41, and so forth. These are some of the popular ones. I would encourage you to have these in your notes, but let's take a look at this particular problem. I think step one is to set up the Pythagorean theorem. Remember, that's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And the one thing to remember is that c squared has to be the hypotenuse. That has to be the largest side of the triangle. So in our case, that's the 30. Step two, we're going to substitute the values for a, b, and c. So we're getting those from our 18, x, and 30. Remember, 30 is the largest, so it has to go in for c. So I put the 18 in for a, and I put the x in for b. And this is where you want to go to your calculator to get these values. I love Desmos, but you can use any calculator that you like. Remember, you're doing 18 to the second power, not 18 times 2. So 18 to the second power, that's where I got 324. And 30 to the second power is where I got 900. So now we want to get that x by itself. You're going to ask yourself, okay, well, what do I need to do to the 324 to get it to the other side? It's being added, so we do the opposite, which is to subtract. You'll notice I subtracted 324 from the 900. That's what gave me the 576. And this is where I have to go to my calculator now to take the square root of that 576. That's how I got that x is 24. So remember, a Pythagorean triple, three positive integers that work in the Pythagorean theorem, and then we set up this one to find out the missing side. Remember also that your largest side has to be the hypotenuse.